What's going on, everybody? I recently got some new wheels for my 2007 BMW 335i, and I wanted to share all the specs with you to help you dial in your perfect fitment. For starters, I'm working with a pre-LCI rear-wheel drive E92 with the sports package. The sports package lowers the car about 5/8 of an inch from the standard springs. My rear fenders are rolled, as that was done by the previous owner. The front fenders are M3 style fenders, but they're the same width as factory front fenders. I picked up some ESR RF2 wheels in the staggered fitment of 18 by 8.5 plus 30 in the front and 18 by 9.5 plus 35 in the rear. The hub bore is 72.56 millimeters and the bolt pattern is 5 by 120. Now this isn't a crazy setup or anything, but it did allow me to run a nice upgrade in the tire. I chose a 235/40/18 front tire and a 275/35/18 rear tire, Nitto NT 555 G2s. This is 10 millimeters wider in the front and 20 millimeters wider in the rear, providing more grip to help put the power to the ground. As for the fitment on the vehicle, the front is the perfect offset in my opinion. The fender arch is in line with the outer edge of the rim, and the tire has a very slight amount of stretch so that it doesn't look bulbous on the 8.5-inch wide wheel. The front never rubs going in and out of the driveways or over deep bumps. It's the perfect no problems fitment. The rear fitment has less poke than the front and still sits a little inside the arch, but with the 275/35 mounted, there isn't much room to go outward more. A 5mm spacer could be added, but I suspect it would rub on the fender a noticeable amount. With my fender rolled but not pulled, I only rarely hear the rear tires make a small amount of contact when I roll through steep driveway transitions and put more compression on the rear suspension. Now there are options in the tire size. In the front, you could run the stock size at 225/40/18 or go up another to a 245/40/18 depending on the look you're going for. In the rear, some people have had success running a 285/35/18, but this is uncommon and is pushing the limits of what can reasonably be mounted on 9.5-inch wheel. The last thing to consider is a staggered setup like this is the difference in circumference. I use the website willtheyfit.com to assess how close my tires are in circumference so it doesn't cause an ABS or traction control fault. I found the 235/40 and the 275/35 to be very close in size and not cause any problems in my car. I'll link some articles and websites down below to help me sort out my fitment choices. I hope this helps you guys sort out your wheel fitment for your E92 35. Thanks for watching and have a good day.